Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to set up Ticket Tool bot in Discord server. So if you also want to set up Ticket Tool bot in Discord server, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type tickettool.xyz. Press enter. And you'll be led to the official website of Ticket Tool. Here you can see two options, Invite Ticket Tool and Dashboard. All you have to do is click on the option Invite Ticket Tool. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You might have to sign into your Discord again. Now here you can select your server. Select the server of your choice. Now click on the option Continue. Here you can see you'll be led to this kind of interface. Scroll down. Click on the option Authorize. You might have to verify. After verification, you can see over here Ticket Tool has been authorized and added to your server. So what you have to do is go to Discord, open the new tab, click on the search bar and type www.discord.com, press enter. You'll be led to the official website of Discord. Click on the Open Discord button. Now go to your server. Now after opening the server, you can see your server title over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now here you can see several options. You can see option for server settings. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is go to roles. Click on the option roles. Now after that, what you have to do is click on the option create role. Now you have to give your role a name. Click on this box right over here and type the name. You can also select the color over here. Click on the color of your choice. Scroll down, you can also upload images. Now here you can see option for save changes. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll have to go to the permissions. Click on the permissions. Scroll down. You'll have to enable the permission read message history. Click on the Save Changes option. Now click on the option Manage Members. And here you can see the option for Add Members. Click on it. And you can add the members over here. All you have to do is type in the member's name over here and you can add them. Now go back. Now you'll have to create a category over here. Right click on the mouse. Here you can see option for create category. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll have to give a name to your category. Now click on the option create category. Now hover over the category that you have just created. Here you can see option for plus. All you have to do is click on it. Now you have to create the channel. Select the text at the channel type. Now enter the channel name. Now here you'll be able to see the option for create channel. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here the channel has been created. Now go back to Ticket Tool. Now at the home page of the Ticket Tool, you'll be able to see the option for dashboard. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll have to log in with Discord. Click on the option log in with Discord. Click on the option authorize. Make sure to read these informations properly. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to find your server. Here you can see option for manage. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll have to create a panel. Here you can see option for plus. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can edit your panel name. Now click on the option create. Now you can see over here the panel has been created. Here you can see several options. Go to the general option. Now here you'll have to select the support team roles. Click on this box. Here you'll see several options. Click on one. Now you'll also have to enter the additional roles. Now you have to save the changes. Click on the option save. Now go back. Now go to the option category. Now here you'll have to select the category. Click on it. Here you can see several options. You'll be able to see the category that you had created earlier. All you have to do is click on it. Now click on the save option right over here. Now here you'll be able to see the option for send. All you have to do is click on it. Here you can see this kind of box will appear. Click on this option. Now here you'll be able to see the channel that you had created earlier. Click on it. Now click on the option send. Now you can see over here panel has been sent to the channel. Go back to Discord. Now here you can see you have received the panel. Now you have to go to the settings. Click on this gear icon that you can see over here. Now go to permissions. Click on the option permissions. Scroll down. You'll have to enable the option read message history. Click on the option save changes. Now go back. Now you can see over here whenever someone clicks on the option create ticket, a ticket will be created. So that is how you set up ticket tool bot in Discord server. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.